existence. Humans can dream, imagine, and create in ways that are as diverse as our individual personalities. We can take inspiration from the world around us, from our experiences, our emotions, and translate those into works of art, innovation, and invention. Next up, critical thinking. Humans possess the ability to reason, to question, to challenge, and to think outside the box. We can understand context, infer meanings, and make judgments based on nuanced understanding of situations. AI processors, on the other hand, are limited to the programming and data they've been fed. They lack the human ability to interpret beyond the given data. And let's not forget emotional intelligence. Humans are capable of empathy, of understanding and responding to the emotions of others. This is an area where AI processors fall short, as they simply can't replicate the depth and complexity of human emotions. As we can see, while AI processors have impressive capabilities, they can't replicate the full range of human abilities. So, will AI processors take our jobs? The question has been hanging in the air throughout our discussion. We've delved into the workings of AI processors, explored their capabilities compared to human abilities, and now it's time to tie it all together. While AI processors will undeniably transform the landscape of work, it's not a straightforward case of machines replacing humans. Rather, it could be a shift in the types of jobs available. As AI takes on more repetitive and data-heavy tasks, it may pave the way for new roles that require human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking, skills that AI can't replicate. Imagine jobs that don't exist yet, roles that combine human ingenuity with AI efficiency. It's an exciting, albeit challenging future. The future of work may be uncertain, but one thing is clear. AI processors are here to stay, and we must adapt and evolve to ensure a future where humans and AI can coexist and thrive together.